National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Ahmedabad, a commitment to world health, and an institute of national importance. Started in 2007
and presently offers MS, MBA, and PhD programs
in biotechnology, natural products, pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacology and toxicology,
medicinal chemistry, medical devices, and pharmaceutical management.
From August 2016, the institute is functioning at its own campus at Gandhinagar with the state-of-the-art research facilities. The founding director, Professor Kiran Kalia, is the torchbearer of NIPER Ahmedabad and is leading the institute to make it one of the top premier institutes across the globe. By her relentless efforts, the institute has secured impressive NIRF ranking and catapulted to topmost pharmacy institutions of India in the category of teaching, learning and resources. A strong administrative team ensures the smooth functioning of the institute. NIPER Ahmedabad has numerous high-impact publications, patents and awards to its credit. It has built strong international collaborations and achieved 100% placements. Institute has well-equipped classrooms with all the modern tools of teaching and research. It became the first institute of India having electronic lab notebook for capturing all research work with highest data integrity and help country by providing trained human resources to pharma industry. Many distinguished guests have witnessed the progress of NIPER Ahmedabad. Institute is equipped with advanced instruments like NMR, FESM, LCMS, QTOF, flash chromatography, gel permeation chromatography, porositometer, microplate reader, freeze dryer, DSC, TGA, ultracentrifuge, polarimeter, hypoxia chamber, and gas chromatography, confocal microscopy, and small animal imaging facility to carry out quality research. Well-equipped classrooms with all the modern tools for teaching are its other assets. The Drug Development Lab is working in the field of formulation, complex analytical evaluation strategies, and medical device development. Drug development researchers are working on formulation development for NCEs and generic molecules to fulfill countries' needs. They are extensively involved in the development of controlled and site-specific delivery of therapeutics in cancer, diabetes, and neurological disorders. The group is also engaged with complex analytical characterization, reverse engineering, pharmacokinetic, toxicokinetic, and metabolic profiling. They also perform impurity profiling, drug excipient compatibility, and stability profile of pharmaceuticals with state-of-the-art analytical facilities. The lab is also focusing on development of smart biomaterials, 3D tumor microenvironment, 3D bioprinting, porous materials, and engineered strategies for ocular, cardiovascular, and orthopedic applications. The Chemical Biology Lab explores the strategies to discover novel scaffolds from terrestrial and marine resources and developing lead-based design of natural scaffolds against diabetes and cancer. The lab is also exploring various strategies like CH activation, green chemistry, and other synthetic organic methodologies to synthesize novel neuroprotective and anti-cancer agents. The quest of clinical research is supported by proteomics, genomics, and biomarkers for cancer, diabetes, and its microvascular complications. The Pharmacology Lab emphasizes on stroke research involving therapeutic implication of stem cell delivery in small and large animal models for ischemic stroke, and the lab is identifying novel therapies for Parkinson's disease and cancer. NIPER promotes collaboration, innovation, and translation. The national and academic integration is achieved through celebration of national festivals, conducting international conferences, and industrially relevant workshops. Together, we make the difference.